We were all really inspired by this incredible building that's sitting in incredible surroundings, but it felt like the two weren't working in connection with each other, and the idea that we've kind of opened the windows and brought everything inside has been a massive driving factor.
Everything that is in nature and all the colours that are in nature are in this building, the whole spectrum.
I worked with Suzanne doing our family home over the last few years, and I knew that she was the right person to do this. I trusted her implicitly, and I love her style, and I think we work well together. Yeah, this is gorgeous.
All the colours in here, I love the colours. You probably wouldn't do it, but it all does work. It was just such a good relationship. She's just incredibly down to earth. I knew that it had to be a little bit fun, a little bit casual, but ultimately luxurious and also welcoming.
We have always viewed this as a home from home. We now have a family of 4 children, and we want to spend more time here, and it's definitely something that we very much wanted to put our personal stamp on it, and it's got the spirit and the energy of our family kind of running through it.
The Scottish countryside is so particular, and I think she wanted to make people feel that warmth and connectivity. So there's an element of wildness and the specific types of flowers that there are here.
The restaurant, I'm really proud of what we've achieved in there. We have brought it to life with greenery and colour and a bit more soul.
With the interiors in the hotel, we've been able to have a look at them and draw on them and take them into the menu. So the menu's a lot lighter, it's brighter, it's a lot more fun as well. So we've gone a lot more international with our flavours and brought a lot more textures and flavours into it, more spices. My style of food, it's always great food, simply done. I love that ethos. You're sourcing the best possible ingredients, and we really take a lot of care and attention over that.
Andy immediately orders the mini burgers on the menu. They are his favourite thing to eat on the menu, and he loves the snooker table upstairs.
It has this kind of mad, clubby vibe going on with the blue baize on the table and little snooker balls carved into skulls.
There's pick and mix on the side table. Yeah, I love the idea of people unwinding in there after dinner.
The bar is probably my favourite room. I love a cocktail. I love a sense of drama. Everything here has really come together to make a feeling of celebration, but also extravagance that you want on a night out. To me, art is the final piece of icing on the cake. And I think because Andy and Kim have such an appreciation for art themselves, they understood that that was a very important element in the whole design. So we have an amazing Damien Hirst in the main entrance hall. We have some very well-known Scottish artists, but also some young and upcoming aspiring artists. So in a way, this is like a personal gallery of art that suits the interior and reflects the personalities of the owner.
We've got this beautiful countryside around us. We've got amazing unspoilt grounds.
We have lots of activities in the grounds for you to do. We can facilitate some clay pigeon shooting. We've got archery on both of our lawns. And we can take you on journeys around the estate. Children can feel at home in here. They can play, they can feel relaxed. You don't need to worry about them. We can even help them to create their own special dishes when they're in the hotel. Everyone's more than welcome to come and enjoy themselves, and we hope that we've got something here to make sure that everyone can have the stay that they want to have.
I hope that anyone can enjoy staying here, whether you have come from across the Atlantic or 10 minutes down the road. And I think that's something that we're still really appreciative of, is the position that this hotel has within the local community, and that's been very important to us, and especially to Andy.
There will be styles that come and go, but I really do believe that if something is very personal and it's very well done and it suits the environment, that it really becomes timeless.
I see this as something that's going to evolve through the course of our family's lifetime, and I hope we can constantly revisit and reevaluate. But we've got so many plans for the next 12 months and beyond, so this is just the start.